Yo, what's going on everyone? Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy this video. We do have a beater box from Sole Supremacy, and let's go ahead and dig straight into it. Alright guys, so if you guys are followers of this channel, I used to do beater boxes. That's how I first started the YouTube. So I like to throw one in every few weeks or so. I'm still a member, and so I still kind of, we don't really necessarily need a lot of just random mystery pairs. It was very helpful, when I was an independent reseller, but now that we have the shop going, it's just a little thing I like to do for fun. This box right here was $15.25, but after shipping and California state tax, which sucks, I believe I paid around $17.15. So that's the total we have into this box. So let's go ahead, cut it straight open. All right. If you guys didn't know, also the channel is called Sneak Peek, and it's because I wanted to always give you guys a sneak peek inside the mystery boxes, and at least that was my original intention. So, ooh, I'm working in a tight space here, but let's see if I can do this. Ooh, my face, my thumbnail face, like, oh my gosh. But yeah, sneak peek. You see a Fear God mystery box, Jordan boxes. I like the boxes that I see, so we're gonna go ahead and get the biggest one out the way. So right here we do have a size 8 Fear of God 1. Now, looks to be brand new because the bag is still here. We got the tote bag, which is always like a nice touch. Nicely packaged, and let's see. All right, so we do have the all black pair, and it does look to be brand new. And one thing about the shoe, there's always a lot of different marks on the suede over here. I've seen that in a lot of pairs, but nonetheless the bottoms are very, very clean, so I would assume these are brand new. The zippers are fully intact. Let me just check the other shoe just in case. Extra laces right here too, but yeah, looks good. I know these are doing pretty well and people like them, but size 8 is a tough size. It's not our favorite, and it's a lot of work just to put it all back. Market value about this, I'm not really sure with the size 8. I know we just sold one for like $350, which was a steal, so I think they're going for about like 600-ish, which is pretty good. I do see a Jordan box, Jordan 12 OVO, it says size 8.5. I'm guessing it's the black pair, which, yep, right here. So we do have the black OVO pair, and I believe these are lightly used. There's just a little bit of wear on the soles, but uppers look to be in great shape, and yeah, honestly, they look like they were worn once and then cleaned maybe. It's kind of hard to tell with the black translucent, but hey, it's not a bad pair. I think brand new is going for around $5. This is a weird market one for sure. I know this one kind of goes up and down. It's just been a while since they released, but I would assume maybe we could get maybe $250 to $300 out of that one. All right, so I do see this. This looks like a Foamposite box, Air Foamposite Pro, size 10. Ooh, these are nice. I don't know the color. I don't know much about Foamposites. I know a few of them, but it looks like this is the Island Green one, and it is used, very lightly used. Bottoms are clean. Uppers don't look like they have much wear. I know these are built like tanks, but I also know that they crease once you wear them a lot, but I don't see really any creases or like scuffs on them, so should be pretty good. Foamposites retail really high. Like, what's the retail, like 250-ish or something, or almost sometimes 300. So even when they're used, they could still fetch like at least like $100 to $200, especially if it's a sought after colorway. So that one's pretty cool. Let's see, we got a Jordan 13 in a size 10, and we got the Hyper Royals, also lightly used. I know these have gone up a lot lately. I think brand new prices are hitting like almost 400 for these. I might be wrong, I don't know. This is at least what I think. So I would assume a used pair like this probably would be anywhere from around like 160 to 250 range. So definitely not a bad one. It's just a little dusty, not too much. Let's see here. We have a Yeezy 350 box. Says we have the Sesame colorway. Nice. So this pair does look to be brand new. Yeah, I think they're brand new. Size 10. The Sesames are going for a lot. I think like 500 or 600 right now. And it's one color we don't really see too often anymore, so it's kind of cool that we got this in here. Brand new Sesames. It's another good one. I mean, it might be a little bit harder to move because it is a more expensive color of a Yeezy, but it's pretty cool. So I kind of like what I'm seeing right now. I don't see anything that's like too much of a brick or something that's like, oh man, the value's not really there. So like I said, there's hopefully a counter somewhere around here in this mess that is helping you guys keep track with the actual market value. All right, so we have a Jordan box and a Yeezy box, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the Jordan box. So we got these in a size 8.5, Jordan 14s. And we do have, I think, what are these called? The candy canes or the cherries? I forget. But we do have a used 8.5. I don't think these are gonna go for much when they're used. I would think like around like what most used retros go for, maybe like around like 150 to 200, because they are still pretty clean. Maybe the laces could just use a little wipe down, but not the best shoe in the best size. Like I think Jordan 14s probably do better more in like the bigger size range. But lastly, we have one more item in this box, Yeezy 700 in an 8.5, and we have the mauves. And I think these are lightly used. So they are used, but they are super, super clean. I would assume like maybe around like retail for these. I know used 700s don't go for like too much unless if they're like the Wave Runners or something like that. So we do have this pair very, very, very clean. So I think maybe around like 200 to 250 on this guy. So all in all, that's what is in this box. Now, like I said, I paid $1,700, so let's total everything up right now. So this is probably gonna be the accurate market value for, or what I think is the market value for all of these. This does not include like eBay fees, GOAT fees, StockX fees. You know, this is just kind of if I were to sell it in person and got market value, obviously it's a give or take, but I don't know, personally, I haven't done the numbers yet. I do that all after in the editing process, but I feel like I kind of like this box. It is kind of like a up and down. I'd give it like at least my grade for the box would probably be like, I feel like it's a solid B. Like I'm not like, wow, I'm gonna make so much money. And I'm also not like, wow, like these shoes are just gonna be super fast movers, but you know, I like what I see, you know? So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. With all that being said, follow us. All of the links are down below in the description box. That's our website, our Instagram, all that good stuff. These items will be for sale on those platforms. So yeah, with all that being said, stay holy, stay blessed, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.